Trains have been a popular mode of transportation for many centuries now. Moreover, these transport systems continue to improve and surprise us of their never-ending capabilities. But the question is that, when the train crossed a river, it made a different sound. Why? First of all, it is not the train that makes noise, it's the tracks that make noise of a moving train on it. The noise is amplified by the internal structures, the pillars and beams of railway track of the bridge. So the noise is actually contained within the bridge and is heard when you're in the train. That is why you would not hear the noise if you're standing at a distance from a bridge watching the train pass. When trains are traveling through bridges, both of wheels and rail will radiate noise directly, because of the wheel interaction. Besides, bridge components are excited and will generate secondary noise after the vibratory energy is transmitted to the bridge. Compared with the plain track, the total sound pressure level is higher 5 to 15 decibel, which is called as bridge increasing noise when the train is running through steel bridges. In Japan, trains rarely have any sort of malfunction during working hours. If a delay lasts more than 5 minutes, the staff personally apologizes to each passenger. Harry Potter fans will be pleased to know that the train used in the Harry Potter films can be accessed in real life, and is still currently running. The line goes through beautiful sceneries, which include highland valleys. The Trans-Siberian Railway spans into a total length of 5,778 miles. This route can be taken entirely within the bounds of Russia, and takes a week at minimum to travel the entire distance. From the oldest to the latest, these transport systems have been supported by these following power sources: horse-pulled, steam, diesel, and electricity. So friends, now you must have better understood that why this occur. We hope that you have learned something new from this video. Please like this video and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching this video.